You're gonna stir fry some sand crab. Lisa's favorite.
Yup. It's like cockroach.
Yeah. And then we got deep fried smelt and perch. Yeah, that's pretty big, man. There you go. Ito ko yung paborito ni Isa rito, yung yung sand crab. Yan ang paborito niya eh. Ito. Ito. Yan. Sand cockroach. O yan, Alright. Nagigisa natin, ha. Lalagay natin dito sa lahat-lahat to. Ready to grill. Ayan. Sarap yung mga. The best yan. Ayan. Luluto tayo ng sand crab, syempre. Ayan. Ayan. Gisa-gisa tayo ng konti dyan. Sige na, bebe. Tignan mo, namumula na. Parang crab talaga siya. It's turning red. Ayan. Okay, now we don't have to deal with so much. Yeah, and then it's gonna turn like basically red like sand, like crab. Okay, so lalagyan natin ng paminta, pangpalasa, di ba? At saka siyempre dito sa bahay wala nagbibitchin dito kasi si Isa allergic siya. Walang nagbibitchin dito sa bahay. Wala. Kami rito hindi naglalagay ng pampapogi. Pagpapangit lang kaya wala na hindi na kami Saka lagyan natin ng pampabango, yung isang butil lang ng basil leaves. Yan, isa lang. Tignan nyo ito mamaya, it's gonna be freaking hella good. Sa mga tao na hindi alam na this food right here is this delicacy over here is the bomb. You don't have to cook this like really hardcore stuff. Saka ang gagawin ko dito, lalagyan ko ng ng jalapeno. Lalagyan natin ng jalapeno ito para may malasa ng konti. Okay, tuloy lang. Mag-put some jalapenos, so I'm gonna stop the video for now. You guys gotta have to let this sand crab scald the sand first and then let it rinse like 4 times. Sandali, I'm gonna put some additional ingredients on this. Yung so lagyan natin ng konting diba? Yan, pepper tayo. Tapos yung magic sarap. Okay, magic sarap tayo. Lagyan natin yan. Saka kalahati lang. Yan. Sand crab, they don't know. Oopsie, I eat it anyway. Pero yung ganyan siya. This is the sand crab here. Okay. This is what we got from Pismo Beach. Deep fried Sunday night, and we try to make this Sunday like. Ito, I just finished cooking the sauteed sand crab. So, madali lang lutuin to. It's kind of like the same thing as how you cook some crab. Depending on how you want to cook it, parang crab din siya, di ba? Okay, so ito ang sand crab natin. Ito, luto na siya. This is what we got going on here. A lot of people don't know that these are edible. Ay, mga fishermen lang nakakalam. But so I sauteed this one with garlic, ginger, parsley, onions. A lot of onions, a lot of ginger. Okay, sautein ko lang yan. Lagyan ko ng magic sarap and all that stuff. So here, wala pang pasikot-sikot pa. I'm gonna show you guys how to eat them. So ito kinakain lahat-lahat to. If you guys don't want them, you guys don't have to eat the shell. But sa akin lang, parang finger foods ko lang to. Ito siya, okay. Sand crab right here. Okay, that's what it looks like. Wow. The way how I express yung lasa nito, para yung mga crab na crab sa bukid sa Pilipinas, right? Masarap siya. So before nyo lutuin, Put them in the water. Let the dirt out. Parang yung mga malala clams, parang ganon. Let them spit the dirt out, and then after that one, rinse it like about 5 times hanggang sa makita mo na talagang walang-wala na. Okay, if there's no more sand, it's ready to go. So masarap siya, especially yung mga soft shell. Yung mga soft shell ang pinakamasarap. Pero sa akin, everything's good. Sand crab, here you go. Especially yung yung sa loob, the inside where all the fat. It's like eating a mini crab every bite. You can enjoy it. I'm telling you guys. Okay, not a lot of people knows the snacks. Just the best, especially the one that has like a lot of roe. There you go. Oh, that's a soft shell. Wow. I cannot stop eating these guys, man. They're so freaking good. There you go. Another soft shell. Oh my god, man. I'm gonna. So I put like some chili, ground chili on this one that gives a lot of spiciness. Masarap siya. It's like mini crab in every bite. Here you go.